Some ladies say they don't want no Jamaican men. But can I tell you something? Pain has no passport. Abuse has no nationality. Violence is not cultural. It is personal. A man don't become dangerous because of where he was born. Him dangerous because of what is inside of him. Abuse comes from control, jealousy, insecurity, rage. You can change country but still meet the same spirit in a different body. Stop trading flags like it's safety. Some women think if they switch from Jamaican man to foreign men, they upgrade to peace, but that's not always true. A passport does not equal respect, emotional intelligence, protection. You can fly first class and still land in suffering. Take it from me. I am defending our Jamaican men. Not all Jamaican men, but other races, they do the same. Other countries, they do the same. I am not justifying this. Jamaican men. Yeah. Jamaican women say they don't want no Jamaican men. But guess what? There was a foreigner who abused a woman, and he was not Jamaican. Severed the woman two hands and wound all over the woman, almost unalive her. And this is why I come to make this video. I do hope you find this video interesting. Please like, share, comment, subscribe.